roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Middletown, Palmyra, Wingletown, Steelton, Anvil, Huddlestown, Cornwall, Myerstown, Paxtonia, Rutherford, Skyline View, Lawson, Campbelltown, Bressler, Enhout, and Oberlin and Pembroke. This includes the following in Lebanon, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Middletown, to 263. Interstate 78 from mile marker 0 to 8. Interstate 81 from mile marker 66 to 96. Interstate 83 from mile markers 43 to 50. Interstate 293 from mile markers 0 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties: Godolphin and Lebanon. Interstate 283 from mile marker 0 to 2. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Godolphin County with thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties: Godolphin and Lebanon. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from your Lycos to Aurora, moving east. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania. Central Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:17 thunderstorms were located in south central Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. College, Pennsylvania, 6:17 thunderstorms in Lancaster, northern Lancaster County in south central Lebanon County, central Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:17 p.m. severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fredericksburg to near Manheim to near Mount Joy, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazards at 61 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Lancaster, Lebanon, Ephrata, Mount Joy, New Holland, Manheim, Anvil, East Petersburg, Cornwall, Myerstown, Leola, Landisville, Denver, Williamstown, Pleasant Hill, Marietta, and Sand Hills. This includes the following. Warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for storms and manning to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster, 6:17. Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, central York County in south central Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. York County in south central Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along south central Pennsylvania, central York County in south central 7:45 p.m. Thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Bradley, Valley Green, and this includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 2 to 4. Until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and York. Until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and York. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Central Pennsylvania, Lancaster and York. The National severe thunderstorm was located over Bakerville or near Ephrata, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Fleetwood, Singing Spring, Makersville, Elverson, Burnville, Lyons, New Morgan, Spring Ridge, Fairview Heights, and Glenmore. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 309. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building in Pennsylvania, Berks, and Chester. Until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The current Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from county in south central Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lancaster County in south thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near miles per hour. Hazard. Radar indicated. Expect damage to roof. Locations of history include Townsville, Marietta, Cooltown, Greenville, Stewartstown, Windsor, and Delta. This includes interstate from middle to 4 to 7. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Very heavy rainfall and temperatures leading to storms can lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and York. Lancaster and York. Railroad, moving east at 15 miles per hour. 60 miles. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, west central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Chester County in south, and extending from Churchtown to Stewartstown, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms were located along the lines and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, 60 miles per hour wind gusts, power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Phoenixville, Coatesville, Downingtown, Collegeville, Oxford, Royersford, Parkersburg, Trapp, Honeybrook, Elverson. These include Phoenixville, Coatesville, Downingtown, Collegeville, Oxford, Royersford, Glenmore, Chester Springs, and Leonville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 315. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 7. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 7. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery. You are close enough to be struck by a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania.